You again. Heaven's got a place for you. In my heart I know it's true. Oh, I'm jealous of the gates and the blue of the skies, 'cause they get you. And I won't let go till you hold me in your arms before still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars, and 6 feet down, love so far. Here I am alone, but staying the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart. Love the rest in peace.
Nagsimula tayo sa hindi inaasahang panahon at sa hindi inaasahang lugar, at yun ang ating tambayan. Nung biglang tumugon ang ating mga tingin, hanggang sa pareho tayong umiti. Napalitan naman ng halakhak pagkaraan ng mga ilang araw, at sa mga araw pa na sumunod, mas lalo pang tumibay ang pagkakaibigan natin dalawa.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Why'd you have to leave so soon? Why'd you have to go? Why'd you have to leave me when I needed you the most? 'Cause I don't really know how to deal with feeling much worse. And all you wanna do is when time's gone through. Carry on. Give me all the strength I need to carry on. I got your way, yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. Oh, it's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Bilang kaibigan, matahalik na kaibigan, hindi po tayo kaya paglayuin ng iba. Dahil kung nasan ka, nandoon din ako. Araw-araw tayo magkasama pumunta sa tambayan, mag-aasarang pintuhan, bulahan, at sa kahit ano pa man ikaw ang lagi kong kasama. At biglang umihip ang napakalakas na hangin. Ang aking paligid ay napakalamig. Sa aking mahimbing na pagkatulog, ako'y biglang nagising. Na yung inakala kong kasama pagkat ang masaya, panaginip na lang pala. Hindi ko inaalang nasama ka pa sa paglakbay, pero lahat ng yun ay panaginip lang pala. Palaging hinahabol ako ng mga alaala sa nakaraan. Nakaraan na pilit ko manibaon ay pilit din akong binabalik-balikan. Dahil na pala nung ika'y lumisan aking kaibigan. Ngunit may hapdi pa rin na nararamdaman. Hindi makaalpas sa taong tinuring ko ng kapatid, hindi lang kaibigan.
When I see you again.
masaya ka na dyan sa taas. Wala na akong kasama at kakulitan sa tambayan. Gusto kitang mayakap, aking kaibigan.
When I see you again.
Wow, the PYPT.